Right, so how to catch a squirrel in the garden. That is a Cania trap I've borrowed off of someone. Great for getting squirrels, especially if you want to eat them, because it seems to 99% of the time just catch them around the neck and they don't damage the body or anything. So it destroys the animal. You take the side bit off. I've already put bait in there. The bait goes in that top bit, so I've put some apples and I think that's like bird food there. Now that there, that's the bar, this is the trigger, and then as you can see that piece there is holding the bar up, and that is being held in by that piece. So once that is pushed up, the bar will come down and get across the neck. Nice and easy to set. You can set that in the dark. All you've got to do is you pull this part out, pull it down, you lock the trigger in place, and you just pull it back underneath that. I'll show you that on another video.